What's up, guys? I'm Jacob Wheeler and Justin Martin. We're here with one last recipe so you can bring the ballpark to your backyard.
It is the ultimate fish pizza. I know what you're thinking. Fish pizza, what? But y'all saw his bratwurst, they look phenomenal.
Hey, and the nachos, oh my gosh.
So I think you can trust us on this one. You can trust us on this. Look, for sake of time.
You just have to try it, trust me. Seriously, I thought the same thing when he made it the first time. Trust me, it's premium.
For sake of time, we're gonna cheat. We're not gonna make our own pizza dough. We're just gonna use the canned crust. I know some of y'all gonna watch this and say that's blasphemy. You know what? That's fine. That's fine. This video ain't for you. That's fine.
Still love you though.
We still love you. But look, all you're gonna do, get your dough. I love this dough because you ain't gotta do nothing to it. You just
unwrap. So you use this several times.
Oh, I've used this stuff all the time. Funny thing is, I rarely make pizza with it.
Really?
Yeah. But it's unrolling. Get him out here. You want to cover your pan. Get nice, good. You ain't got to grease your cookie sheet. I like thin crust.
Thin crust, yeah.
You know, kind of weight down. Get that dough nice and weighted down. I want it kind of thin.
That does.
But the beauty of a pizza is you can make it for anybody. Like there's no one rule to pizza. That's why it's such a great food.
Absolutely right.
So we got the dough down. He ready. Now, we're gonna go with a garlic base.
That's what's up. I mean, listen, I like spaghetti sauce, pizza sauce, but garlic's
the deal. A lot of garlic. We love garlic. Yeah, start spreading some. Let me get a little bit more on this end.
We gotta have a lot though.
Gotta have a lot of garlic.
Oh my gosh.
Nice spread, even. Get him kind of even all over your pizza. Get him all over your crust. Oh, we probably
That's the worst thing. You know how like a lot of times like you get that pizza that's like where there'll be sauce on one side, real heavy, and the other side will be like, yeah, we can't have that.
No, you gotta have it nice and even.
Yeah.
That's looking good.
It's gonna be.
Oh, the ultimate fish pizza is coming together. Look, so we got that down. Next, cheese.
Cheese, yeah.
We're gonna go with just kind of basic cheese, nothing special. But look, pungent cheese works really good too. Like you can use like your blue cheeses yourself. It's got real strong scents for this. So do whatever you want to. We're gonna go with just like a cheddar jack mix. Nothing too crazy, but nice, good coverage on the pizza. Plenty of cheese. Everybody loves cheese.
That's right.
You ever heard somebody say, "Man, I wish that pizza had less cheese on it"?
No, never happens.
It's just like somebody say, "Man, I wish I had a smaller TV." Nobody's ever said that. Things like that don't happen. And now, look, before Jacob come, I asked him to bring his favorite toppings.
Yeah.
I brought my favorite toppings.
Yeah.
So is it time to show them the toppings?
Ready.
Let's get on these toppings. Boys, have we got something for you? Now remember, this is the ultimate fish pizza.
The ultimate fish pizza now.
You didn't really think we'd make a pizza out of fish, did you?
Now come on.
We're making a pizza if we were a fish.
Literally, exactly. That's why the garlic was smart. All right, now what do you got over there, Martin?
I've got some.
I want to see this.
I got some little fin commander, crappie magnet, curly tail grubs.
Hey.
In case the water's a little muddy, we're going with some pink and a little blue in case it's a little dark water.
I heard those catch bass too, though.
They'll catch anything that swims.
I heard that.
Look at there.
So it's a good little combo. Little crappie, panfish, bluegill. You got those for all those guys.
Beautiful.
We got the dough. We got the dough for
for catfish, carp, all kinds of things.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I see over here. I got a little bit of the bandito bug. I'm gonna go with one of my favorite colors, blue baby. The water's a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna put a few of these guys on here because I think that would be perfect.
Oh, love it. Look, and I fished with enough of them bugs. Everything will bite him too. I've caught catfish on him. I've caught drum on him.
I'll put a black and blue one on there too.
I caught everything off of him.
Okay, so we got that.
But see, this is the beauty of pizza. Look, we got something for everybody. We have got something for everybody. Right here.
We got it all.
We got it all covered.
Everything that swims in your pond would love this.
We're missing something though. We're missing a little texture. See, this is all soft. We need something. Something needs a little crunch to it. I like crunchy, don't you?
Yeah, I do too. I got an idea. I got something just for this. Okay. The Rapala OG Slim Crankbaits. I got a shad pattern. I got a chartreuse pattern for if it's dirty. And then I got a crawdad pattern. So if they're on that crawdad bag, we got him taken care of.
That crawdad catch me.
Oh,
I love a
a
crawfish.
little crayfish.
Love it.
I think he's ready to go.
I
He's ready
think
to go fishing.
he is ready to go, ain't he? I think he's there.
Yeah.
Let's show him one more time.
Look at this.
That's the ultimate fish
That is it.
pizza. Now we're gonna put him in the pit box. No, you ain't gotta cook stuff for fish. They like raw stuff. They on that
Right.
sashimi. So
Dang.
the only thing left to do now, go fish.
Let's do this.
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get out of here. I've had enough cooking.